I'm a developer as a background, currently manager of the Stockholm development team. This project has been about adding this automated perspective on relevance and personalization that hasn't been there before. I think it's very interesting to start opening it up to a lot more people and a lot more organizations to start using this. It's a more powerful way to personalize the experience, where no one has to set up any specific rules around anything. You don't need to collect years and years of data on one user. One of the neat things about that is that it can correct quickly when it gets small amounts of data. So if you have a search query, for instance, that does the wrong thing and no one has clicked on anything, but you get maybe 2 or 3 users who search for this search query and click on the products that they want, then we can quickly resort and reshape the entire experience, not just for the 2 or 3 products that they were clicking on, but the entire result set, which is very powerful. So that's one thing. And it also lets you have this personalized experience where, since we don't need a lot of data, then it's enough to have the few clicks or purchases that one person has done to reshape the entire experience for that person. So that means that you might go into a search result or a category page or wherever where you've never been before, but as long as we have some information on what you've been clicking on elsewhere in the catalog or what you've been purchasing, then we can reshape the entire experience. And it can be enough with something like you came from this ad, or you came from this Facebook post. That can give us enough information to reshape the entire experience. So if you're clicking on an ad for, let's say, computer mice, to go back to one of our first customers, and then you search for a particular brand like Logitech, for instance, then we know that you were originally looking for computer mice, so we should show the Logitech mice on top instead of the cameras or whatever. So we can reshape that entire search result, but also category listings just based on one data point, which is your entry point into the store. And all of that will of course be available to the FactFinder customers. It allows you to target more than just the top most popular search queries or navigations, and increase conversions further into the long tail, because the AI will do it for you. You don't have to spend hundreds of man hours manually adjusting and optimizing each search result. You can optimize a few and then let the AI take care of the rest.